Steve, Chloe, how you guys doing? So I want to show you really the couple of things. So this is the campaign paused for a while. That was the first, and we've kind of stopped it, started it, stopped it, started it, and I think even if we do that, there's like even more stuff going on. I just wanted to show you this to give you kind of an insight into the level of work that's going on, and also then to show you some of these different bits and pieces. We're working on basically the landing page at the moment. So long story short anyway, we're not getting the click-throughs that we were hoping for, and we're trying to determine the reason for that. Well, no, sorry, rather we're getting the click-throughs, but we're not seeing the kind of conversions that we want. So last 3 days search terms, best bundle. Okay, cool. So this is 12 days ago. This is the stuff that was the ad sets that we created. These are the new ads and the keywords, and we're adjusting some of the targeting, and then we've got kind of the daily budget changes here and stuff. So I'll also include some of the keywords that have been put together at the moment. And is it in here? Okay, cool. Yeah. So in here, basically, we spent 228 quid, right? Of like the couple hundred quid that we're using. I think like 500, right? And we've paused it at the moment because, as you can see, we're not getting phone calls, right? And we're getting these clicks to the landing page. So the click-through rates in some of these cases, like pretty damn good, right? 5 clicks, and you know, average position 2.4, average position 1.5. But for whatever reason, we're not getting the conversions that we want. We're getting some conversions in terms of local action, so they'll look at the website, they'll look at different bits and pieces. But we're trying to determine why people. So you know, the God's honest truth is that we're not landing page designers, and sometimes that needs like kind of a UX consultant or whatever it might be, and that would basically blow the budget up completely. So we're trying to determine what we could do to change, and we pause the ads for the moment. Now there's some ideas, and again really it's just a case of making this work as best as we can within the budget that we've got. So I think that getting a web designer to change some of these elements could be interesting. But if we just go personal, let's go to gym, I don't know, bank. Let's have a look what comes up. So Gymbox, bank, Virgin Active, Gymbox, Bank of England Sport Centre. Let's have a look at Gymbox, and then let's have a look at the third space. Just have a look at what these guys are doing. Oh, it's this one's okay. Explore classes. Alright, fine. Third space. Opening times. Okay. So really it's a case of trying to understand what it is that's causing us to not get the returns yet that we want from PPC, and I don't want to just kind of spend kind of bad money or good money after bad to determine stuff. So we're working on changing the landing page, and then we're going to launch ads again. I want to start getting some leads in for you guys by this weekend. So the case is it's taking a little bit longer than we want. Things are working in that we're working and working to be honest with you way more than we already did relative to the budget, but that's by the by, right? I want to kind of fucking make this shit work for you, and it's annoying me